Okay guys, I got them set up. I know they're not broken in yet. I'm gonna do a quick demo. Left them to them for about an hour now, and yeah, I'm impressed. They sound really good. Really good. They're not my KLH Model 3s, but yeah, just a different sound signature. You know, the KLH Model 3s have aluminum dome tweeter. This one has a silk dome, so it's a little more laid back, warm. Great bass. But anyways, here we go. I'm gonna do a quick demo. And play Birds from Dominic Phillies.
So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. I just can't figure out, is it too late or too early? Is it right on time? Could it be right on? If the crow said it right, we could move out by dawn early. Could be right on time. Could be right on. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. Caught you staring at the ceiling, still traveling fears, thinking if you rise, I'll rise. We'll be waiting for the morning, he'll crumble and strength, thinking if you rise, I'll rise, I'll run, I'll run, high. Sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. Sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. I just can't figure out, is it too late, too early? Can't figure out, is it too late, too early? Can't figure out, is it too late, too early, too early? Can't figure out, is it too late, is it too late, is it too late, early? Too late, is it too early? Is it too early? Too late, too early. Too late, is it too late? Too early, is it too late? Too late, is it too early? Too early.
Well, there you go. Give me your opinion on your comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna keep them playing for a while now. I'm gonna break them in pretty good and take it from there. Okay guys, thank you. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up.